yourselves for an urgent update. New York is currently engulfed in a snowstorm of historic proportions. Oswego County has been buried under nearly 8 feet of snow in just 10 days, transforming the region into a frozen battleground. Residents are facing relentless whiteout conditions, plummeting temperatures, and fierce winds. The situation has escalated into a full-blown crisis, with infrastructure crumbling and emergency services stretched to their absolute limits.
Yeah, great. Stop, guys.
The relentless snowfall began on February 14th and has shown no mercy. By February 19th, parts of Oswego County were submerged under up to 7 feet of snow, with more still falling. The once navigable roads have become treacherous, icy traps, and the unyielding blizzard conditions have led to widespread devastation. This is not your typical winter storm. It's a catastrophic event that's testing the resilience of every resident.
Oh my God. Oh, lightning! We got thunder snow.
In Oswego County, snow is a familiar foe, but this storm has shattered all records. Winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour have sculpted massive snowdrifts, rendering travel nearly impossible. As the tempest rages on, temperatures have nosedived, with wind chills plummeting to a bone-chilling minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, compounding the already dire circumstances.
Earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't...
The county's resources are being pushed to the brink. A long-awaited delivery of 3,000 tons of salt finally arrived, just in time to avert a complete depletion of supplies. However, the storm's fury led to the collapse of a vital salt storage shed, further complicating the battle against the icy onslaught. Crews are working around the clock to salvage what they can, but with the snow continuing to fall, it's a daunting uphill struggle. The Department of Public Works, DPW crews are engaged in a tireless fight, but even their Herculean efforts are barely making a dent. Roads remain cloaked under thick layers of ice, and even the formidable plow trucks are struggling to make headway. With more snow on the horizon, a strict no unnecessary travel advisory is in effect, urging residents to stay indoors. Despite these warnings, many find themselves trapped, and emergency responders are battling against time and elements to reach those in dire need. The storm's wrath hasn't spared structures either. In Williamstown, the Omega wire plant's roof buckled under the immense weight of the snow, prompting a frantic evacuation. Miraculously, no injuries were reported, but the facility has been rendered a complete loss. Plans were in place to clear the accumulating snow, but the storm's sudden intensification thwarted those efforts. As of February 19th, meteorologists predict an additional 2 feet of snow for northern Oswego and southern Cayuga counties. Syracuse is bracing for an extra 5 to 9 inches. The relentless wind gusts are expected to persist, exacerbating the already hazardous conditions with more drifting snow. Even though lake-effect snow warnings have been lifted in some areas, the region remains under a state of emergency due to the storm's severity. Many roads are still impassable, and emergency services are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of calls. Yet, amid this chaos, the community's spirit shines brightly. Neighbors are checking on one another, offering assistance and sharing scarce resources. DPW crews, enduring grueling 12 to 14-hour shifts, press on with determination, striving to clear roads and restore a semblance of normalcy. However, with no respite from the weather in sight, the pressing question remains: how much more can this resilient community withstand? With additional snowfall looming, critical salt shortages, and mounting structural damages, Oswego County remains in a state of emergency. The storm has already inflicted severe damage on infrastructure, left residents stranded, and pushed emergency responders to their breaking points. With no clear end in sight, the community's endurance is being tested like never before. This is not merely a winter storm. It's an unfolding disaster that will have lasting impacts for days, if not weeks, to come. The resilience of this community is commendable, but the battle against nature's fury continues as they brace for more challenges in the days ahead. What are your thoughts on the recent natural disasters occurring around the globe, particularly in the United States? And this is just one of the disasters hitting the US. If you thought this snowstorm was extreme, wait until you see the devastating floods sweeping across multiple states. At least 10 people have lost their lives, and the situation is getting worse by the hour. Don't miss the next video. Click on it now. Share your insights in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. As always, thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay informed.